Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the pTron Bassbuds Pro True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. So let's get right into the box. So on the box you have a few specifications of the earphones itself. You can first see that it has a wireless connectivity and a transmission range of 10 meters, which is about 33 feet, which of course means that 33 feet, if it's unobstructed, if you have a few walls in the middle, you may have some problems in the connectivity. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz and a music playtime of 4 hours on the buds, and it also has a standby time of about 100 hours and a charging time of merely 1.5 hours. It also features high bass, which means it'll be a bass forward true wireless earphones. It has hands-free call and some other features as well. So let's get right into the box without any further ado. So here you see we have the charging case and the earbuds immediately in our view. As soon as we open up the box, we're going to extract the earbuds and set them aside for a minute and look at everything else we have in the box. So here we have the charging cable, which is a tiny plastic USB A to USB Type-C charging cable, which is always preferred over micro USB since most smartphones are shifting towards USB Type-C, so that way you only have to carry one wire. Let's set this here. We also have two extra pairs of silicone tips, the large and the smalls. So basically, if the ones that are fitted on the earphones do not give you a comfortable and secure fit, you may want to try these out instead. So that's about it for what we have in the box. Here you can see the pTron Bassbuds Pro themselves. It's a quite compact box. And that's about it for the unboxing of the pTron Bassbuds Pro True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it.